Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the wild skies of drones with two contenders that are ready to take off. On my left, we've got the Heygelo S90 Drone, and on my right, the IDEA Brushless Motor Drone. Buckle up because this comparison is about to get airborne. Heygelo S90 comes in at just $59. That's cheaper than a fancy dinner date. Meanwhile, the IDEA Brushless Motor Drone is $89. That's almost $30 more. So if you're on a budget, Heygelo might be your new best friend. But hey, let's see if that extra cash for IDEA is worth it. Heygelo S90 gives you a solid 1080p HD camera. Not bad, right? But then IDEA swoops in with a 4K Sony sensor camera. It's like comparing a potato to a professional camera. Reviewers love the Heygelo for its ease of use and decent camera quality for the price, but they highlight that IDEA's 4K camera captures much more detail and is ideal for high-quality photography and videography. Heygelo S90 boasts up to 26 minutes of flight time. That's more than enough time to annoy your neighbors. IDEA gives you 20 minutes, which is still decent, but just short of Heygelo's endurance. Reviewers have praised Heygelo for its long battery life and quick charging, while IDEA's battery life has been noted as sufficient, but not exceptional. Heygelo S90 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. You can control it with remote, app, voice, or even gravity. Plus, it can flip, rotate, and do all sorts of stunts. Perfect for showing off at parties. On the other hand, IDEA brings the heavy artillery with obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, and even indoor visual positioning. It's like having a drone with a PhD in aerodynamics. Reviewers appreciate Heygelo for its multiple control options and fun features, while IDEA is lauded for its advanced positioning and obstacle avoidance capabilities. Both drones are foldable, making them easy to carry around, but IDEA throws in a carrying case. It's like getting a free suitcase with your plane ticket. Heygelo is compact and portable too, but you'll have to find your own case for it. Reviewers have noted that both drones are well built, but IDEA's carrying case adds an extra layer of convenience. Both drones have received praise and criticism from reviewers. Heygelo S90 is highly recommended for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it great for beginners and casual flyers. IDEA Brushless Motor Drone is praised for its advanced features, superior camera quality, and obstacle avoidance, though it comes with a higher price tag, and some users have reported issues with its build quality and battery life. So there you have it, folks. Both drones have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fun-packed, and long-lasting drone, Heygelo S90 is your guy. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for advanced features, better camera quality, and obstacle avoidance, IDEA Brushless Motor Drone is definitely worth considering. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to choosing the right drone for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.